Welcome back to Lottery Detective. We have the remaining part of the month for our natural elements, and that is from December the 7th through the 31st, 2016. Now, this chart for natural element is completely different. I've always spoke of incorporating additional number into the 3 digit on your calendars in order to get a 4 digit number. So I went ahead and did the homework for you. Okay, as we know, everything in the black or your calendar dates, everything that is underlined with your blue lines or your days that has passed and your days that are remaining until we complete the cycle of the year where you have no days left. Now, the other interesting part of this past days and days remaining, I gave you an example by putting some of the numbers that have been drawn from the 1st of December through the 6th, which is today. So, for instance, Quebec 4323 has fallen in Quebec within the last 6 days. Everything that we have with the red dots are numbers that have been drawn and will continue to be drawn throughout the month. Now, I have in red initial states that actually numbers that was drawn on December the 5th in 3 digit only. The other remaining numbers in the blue with the state indicating the numbers have or was drawn between the 1st through the 6th. Wisconsin 1502, Louisiana 0412, and that's what that means. Now, all you have to do, as far as I've taken you, is if you see any of these numbers in whatever workout, whatever formula you're using, you may want to apply additional numbers. Like the 342, you can apply the 8 or the 7. Or with the 343, you can apply the 8 or an additional 3, making it a triple plus. 3433. Now, I didn't put the initial of what state this was, but it was a drawing 3430. In the 344, you can add your 9 or any other number. But we have in Rhode Island, you have your 4443. Sorry. And also we have additional additional numbers that's added in the 3492, which did quite well last month. You can add a 2 with it, but you have to use your imagination when it comes to your matrix and accommodating numbers for 4 digit. We have the 3551. We have the 3561. And if you really want to pinpoint a number to play throughout the month or for a whole week, you want to go back to your history, go to your state lottery website and see how many numbers you can, in the 3 digit form or the 4 digit that you come up with. But in essence, with 4 digit number, if you had a calendar date that was drawn last year, most likely it would come with additional number, a different number, which would be 1202. It may fall with the 200 in this manner. Okay, and so we have some triples also. Triple fours and three triples, fours, nines, and ones. So four. And quads, you have your triple twos, Rhode Island. And don't forget, when you are working with your triples, go back and look at your charts and be familiar with every number that is related and connected to a set of triples. Okay? That's all I have for you today. If you have any other questions, please jot them in the comment section.